Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most advanced multimedia devices for your car, the MMB Max 5.0 CarPlay box. If you're looking to enhance your driving experience with cutting-edge technology, this is the ultimate choice. Let's start with what makes the MMB Max 5.0 stand out. It's powered by the Qualcomm QCM 6225 octa-core processor and boasts a massive 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, running on Android 13.0. This means lightning-fast performance and enough space for all your apps and media. Adding to its appeal, this device supports dual-band 2.4G, 5G Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Ensuring seamless connectivity for streaming, navigation, and hands-free calls. It's also equipped with a SIM card slot for 4G connectivity, perfect for staying connected on the go. When it comes to user experience, the MMB Max 5.0 integrates effortlessly with your car's original controls. Whether you prefer touchscreens or physical knobs, this device supports both, providing an OEM-like feel. Plus, it works flawlessly with Google Assistant and Siri, making voice commands a breeze. Now, installation is straightforward if your car already supports wired CarPlay. Just plug and play, and you're set to enjoy wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and the full Android app ecosystem directly from your dashboard. It's designed to streamline your driving experience without cluttering your dash. With 128GB of internal storage and expandability via TF card slot up to 256GB, you have ample space for your favorite music, videos, and apps. Whether you're streaming from YouTube, Netflix, or navigating via Google Maps, the MMB Max 5.0 handles it all with ease. Wrapping up, the MMB Max 5.0 CarPlay box sets a new standard for in-car entertainment and connectivity. Its powerful hardware, seamless integration, and extensive feature set make it a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their driving experience. Thanks for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, drive safe and stay connected with Product Critique.